Welcome to Artisan Heirloom Foods, and today I want to talk about pruning basil. I have 3 large basil plants here. One of them is actually grown up above the grate there. It's this one. As you can see, there's 2 burn marks where it's touched the light, and I'm going to be trimming that one. And this one back here is growing up. It's starting to grow up above the grate also, so I'll trim him up later, but today I want to concentrate on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down and I'm going to show you how to prune it. So we're right here, we're still in the office, we're on my desk. Apologize for all the stuff over here in my Mac Pro, this room gets the best light right now because of the the windows face east, and it's still early in the day. So, but here are my plants. These are I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 plants, and I've got 5 here that have actually done really well over the last almost 2 weeks, week and a half, since I brought them in here to the office and set up the light station. So they've really taken off, especially this one right here. It's really taken off. It's actually almost tripled in size since bringing it in here. And it's gotten to the point where it is... it's touching right here, like I showed you a moment ago. It's actually got burn spots, and I want to trim them, and so I want to do it in a way that makes it bushier. And I'm kind of, I'm just a little, I'm afraid that I'm going to kill the little guy, but you know what? It's okay, because I'm gonna, he should bush out a little bit. Now, what you want to do is you want to cut. See the stem there, right there. There's the true leaves. The other leaves are down here at the bottom. And there's the first true leaves, and that's a node. And then here's another node with 2 other leaves, and then here's another part of the stem, and it keeps going up. There's another node. And so, but if you could see this, and I don't know if you can, but there's actually, on this node here, there's 2 little tiny leaves that haven't really done anything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim right there above that node, and hopefully what's going to happen is the plant is going to produce 2 more stems from that spot. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take a pair of scissors, and right there, cut it off. So there is the basil, the part of the basil that I have trimmed, and that's what the plant looks like. Now I'm going to leave this one for another couple of days, maybe until next week, and then these 2 will come later also. But I just wanted to show you how to trim basil, and the purpose here is to get, there's 2 little tiny, there's one right there, and there's one right in there in that leaf, in the crease of in the pit of the leaf, the armpit of the leaf. I don't know what to call it. But they should actually start growing up. I've left enough leaf on there, because these are the true leaves, to still allow for photosynthesis. So the plant shouldn't die. It looks awful right now, but it should become bushier. So just wanted to share that with you. I hope this was helpful. And again, I hope everyone is doing well. And if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. And when you do, hit that little bell. always leave a comment. And if there's a Facebook group that you'd like me to share this on and join, leave it down in the comment. I've already had one other viewer ask me to join their Facebook group and to share my videos on there as well. So that's what I've been doing. And don't forget to visit our garden blog. I put a lot of stuff on the garden blog as well as the videos that are on YouTube. I also just do other stuff as well. So, and our Facebook page is ArtisanHeirloomFoods.com. If you want to go there and follow that page, that would be awesome too. So guys, my fellow gardeners, it's almost time to start going outside and planting those seeds in the ground. We've got little over a month, about a month and a half, less than a month and a half until springtime. I'm really super excited. I can't wait. And until my next video, you guys take care.